Hi, this is my first ever demo live for my personal Northeastern coding project. So this semester we made something called Film Finder, which is a recommendation engine for finding the best films for streaming. This is in React coding, and as you see in the code, we have several JS files and also Java files. So the reason why we had this project for Jose Nunziato's web development course is because we wanted to find an efficient way to help people stream their movies. For example, now with the coronavirus pandemic, who has time to go to a theater and watch a movie? So like, it is very very important for people to understand like that they have to find a good movie for them to watch. For example, I love Marvel Avengers, and we just saw like Infinity Wars or Endgame. But how do you know whether it's been good or people love it or like the rating has been awesome? Like that's where the recommendation engine comes in. For this project, we basically split it into three main parts. We got the source files of React.js, which my group mates Brandon Chung and Sunny Lee also collaborate with me making this amazing project. We also then got CSS files to make the project look cool, aka detail and UI design. And we also have some backend code for the semester project in Java JPA persistence files. So here's what the project looks like in localhost. Use npm start to run React. And I'm running the application right now in localhost. Let me just close out stuff that's not related to this project. Oh, there it is, Film Finder. So here is our application called Film Finder. As you can see, it's already with the carousel design. So for example, I really love, I don't know, Harley Quinn, Birds of Prey. It gives you like the director, the release, the summary. So it's sort of like a mental model of IMDb, Netflix, and Piazza actually. So let me first sign in to admin account, admin cool, and the password is admin Minda, so it's like a palindrome, computer science reasons. I will not save a password because of security problems. So for example, I go to add Astra, and it's very much like that of Piazza, which is like a helpful website to help people with homework problems. So for example, for the Film Finder project, my partner Brandon Chung endorsed this, and we can delete the comment if it's like if you don't want to see the comment, you can delete it. It also tells you which date you posted thanks to Moment.js and React. Also, you can remove the flag, or you can also endorse high quality content in here from admin Adams. Also, there's a profile page you can look at. So you have like people liking you as a user. You have first name, last name, email, birthday, account type. You can also edit all the profiles. So for example, if you want admin Adams, you want admin, I don't know, like admin Smith, you can add in that, and it'll be able to update your profile. Oh, ignore that 500 error. That was a clerical error. So how do you log into Film Finder? Because you are a new user, right? You first sign up. So let's say, for example, I use my Husky mail. I use a very simple password. 1, 2, 3, ABC. 1, 2, 3, ABC. First name is David. Second, last name, I don't know, is Lynn, or something very, very basic. And then birthday, I'm going to make it very random, 1998, September 12th or something. I don't know, something very basic. And you agree to be a member, and you have to then read the privacy policy from the website, which talks about what Film Finder is. As I said before, it's basically a recommendation engine to allow users to review and comment on movies and obtain movies from other users in the community. It gives you all sorts of data collection, so like we don't actually like grab your data after the course is over on like May 1st. and we can allow you to use alternative data. And this was just for like the Northeastern University web dev course. We're not going to use it for like a co-op or anything else outside of university usage. So you say you agree to privacy policy, you say click, you register, and you can change your email because it's already been in use. So I don't know, it's like, I don't know, davidlin@gmail.com. Something really generic and basic. You can start registering. You can go to your profile as David, and then you can also edit your profile. So if you don't like David Lin, you want to say, I don't know, Jeremy Lin or something, you can do that. You can do that actually. For some reason, it's giving me 500 errors. So let me try something a little different. Heroku. So I'm going to use Heroku, which is basically a web service that helps you like launch websites on a server. So if I go to my Heroku account, I could open Film Finder. That seems to be better in here. So I have the Film Finder app opening on Heroku, which is the requirement from our project was like to make sure it opens on Heroku and not on localhost. So that was a false start. My apologies. So Heroku has many great features of like deploying from GitHub, which for non-CS people is basically where you store your code for like deployment. And you can see my partner Brandon did a lot of deployment. I did not do as much, but that's life. So I first log out of this, then log back in as David Lin. So you can actually see David's account, and it's 123 ABC. I go to David's account. You haven't posted anything email yet, but you can now change it to, I don't know, Jeremy Lin or something. You can update profile. There's no error. Very nice. So let's say you want to choose a movie. I don't know. Since I don't want to talk about anything about coronavirus, I'll choose something fun, like sports. And since I like LeBron and basketball, I'll choose Space Jam. So I choose Space Jam 2. Since I am a big basketball fan, I'll make the rating 5. I'll make my rating 5. And I say LeBron rules or something like that. Something very basic, like very user-based. If I don't like my own, I could flag my comment for moderation. If it says LeBron sucks, I could like moderate it because it's not appropriate. Or if I don't like the comment, I could just delete it completely. So yeah, that's it for Film Finder. It's also responsive. You can see it stacks up to like basically a different form of the carousel when you resize it. And also when you go to the API, if you search for nothing, it'll just simply say, sorry, no results found. And finally, something really cool that's borrowed from Piazza in a way is you could endorse users. So if I log out of David's account, if I log into instead my account with my, I presume, Northeastern password. Whoops, I messed it up. So I'm going to go back to Admin Cool's account because it's admin approved. I go to an admin's account. Right now I don't love anybody, right? But I could go to, for example, Space Jam again. I look at no comments yet. It's like, I don't know. Space Jam is cool. I post that Space Jam is cool. I endorse my own quality account. I log out. And then suddenly David comes back in and sees that there's like there's a new email inside the account. So, well, Jeremy, his name is Jeremy now. So if I go back to this and I look at Space Jam again, and I really like the user admin, I could start loving the admin with a heart. Or if I think the admin is being a LeBron fan, I could just, or being a overly involved LeBron fan, I could just not like him. So it's like the Facebook Piazza like and not like endorsement. So in conclusion, Film Finder is just a recommendation engine that helps you find the best films in a given stream. Thank you very much. This is my first vlog of many entitled NEU Goodies. So make sure to like and subscribe and, stay safe during this pandemic. Thank you very much. Bye.